Hey guys, welcome back to our little YouTube channel. For this video, I have some amazing new tool deals to share with you. We got Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart, and Amazon. The Amazon deals will all be linked in the description down below. All the other big box retailers use the YouTube shopping links. You'll see boxes popping up here, there, and everywhere throughout the video. The first one, Milwaukee M12 Fuel Brushless Cordless 3/8-inch Drive Right Angle Impact Wrench with two 3 amp hour batteries. This is part of a special buy of the day. Home Depot's been including a lot of tools lately in their special buys of the day. I think it's 3 or 4 days in a row that we've had it. So normally $349, special buy $179. I love the right angle impact wrench because nice, compact, but a lot more power than what you would get out of the ratchet. So the ratchets are 30 to 55 foot-pounds of torque, and you can see this is 220. So we're taking lug nuts off with this guy if we wanted to. A lot of power, compact form. Plus, you're getting the two 3 amp hour batteries. If we just mouse over this guy with the 1.4, it's $298 for one 4 amp hour battery. Here we're getting two 3s, and we're only going to pay $179. Next up, we have the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Brushless Cordless Compact Router with a 5 amp hour battery, normally $358 down to $179. Pretty typical to get the router by itself for $199 if we don't get some type of free tool promotion or something else going on. So adding in the 5 amp hour battery is really good and pairs nicely with the router. So $179, you're getting the free 5 with your fuel router. Then we have the M12 Fuel Brushless High-Speed 1/4-inch ratchet with 3 amp hour battery 2-pack. So again, the high-speed 1/4-inch drive this time. Let's see, what is the RPMs? 450 on the high-speed and 35 pounds of torque. Now this is the one I have, except for I have 3/8 drive, but the high-speed is the one I went with, and I've been really happy with it. I have the OG one as well, but don't use it too much now that we got the upgrade. Originally $319 down to $169. Again, you're getting two 3 amp hour batteries to go with that, so a really good deal on the 1/4-inch. Now, by the way, before we get too carried away, here's the special buy of the day link. There was DeWalt stuff as well. There was a bunch of Milwaukee things. It's just, I thought a lot of it, the deals weren't as amazing as they could be. I did like those three that I picked out for you, but you should probably scroll through and see what you see. Now, look at this. We have another Flex Nailer Stapler deal. And it was kind of funny because they've been doing one each day, and someone left a comment complaining how they're doing one each day. Well, guess what? We got another day of it. So that's why I really had to include this, just because it's going along with the theme of late. Got the Flex 3/8-inch medium crown finish stapler, battery and charger not included. It's a tool-only deal. Normally $149, today only down to $99, $50 off. Boy, if you got in on this on day one and just picked off each nailer each day, you got an amazing deal on 3 different nail guns. If you already got Flex's battery and charger, or pick up another deal where you can get the battery and charger to go with it. Under $100. Let's see, what does it say free over here? What does that say? Free 2.5 hour battery when you buy this item. Okay, how do you do that? Discount taken at time of purchase. Are you getting a free battery and charger with this? Why does the rest of the listing not say? Oh wait, goes through 7:30. It's expired. They just didn't remove it. Well, damn them. All right, let's move on to the next one. So part of their special buy of the day, I guess they call it deal of the day at Lowe's, is several of the Cobalt toolboxes. So here we have the rolling tool cabinet, your base, 26.7-inch, and normally $269 down to $199. Now this is the white one, obviously, as long as you're not Stevie Wonder, you can see that. A couple other colors are also $199. You got the green, you got the gray, but then like black is full price at $299. So I don't know about you, I wouldn't pay $100 more just for a different color, but maybe you do. Blue $269. So we got a couple different colors at the $199, but you got a 4-drawer roller there. Now, if you are interested in that, you may be interested in this top piece here, the tool chest, as they say, 26 inches as opposed to the previously 26.7 inches. Stackable was $229, now $159, $70 off. And you can see we got the whole little shindig going on right there. Now, does this one have, let's see, does it show? No, that's not what I thought it was. I want to see if it had a power strip built into it, but I I don't see any graphic that says it, and I'm not going to read the whole listing. So it's $159, and again, we have a couple of colors where you can get it at $159. Oh, you should mix and match the colors just to be a goofy shit. Don't pay full price again. $249 full price on the black one. I'll shoot over to Walmart super quick. We have this Greenworks 40 volt, 21 inch brushless walk behind push mower. You're getting a 5 amp hour battery with that. It says 100 people bought yesterday. More impressive numbers from Walmart than if you compare that to Lowe's little banners. Theirs will be like 100 people viewed this in the last week. And Walmart's like, yeah, 100 people bought this yesterday. $324 down to $198. Again, the full kit, 40 volt, 5 amp hour. Get all your outdoor power stuff with Greenworks. Now we're going to move on to the Amazon deals. They are all going to be linked down below. First one we have is the cordless impact wrench, half-inch drive, brushless impact driver, or so they say. 332 foot-pounds, coming with a 4 amp hour battery. It is by Chemo, which we have seen back in the day on the channel a couple of times. They sent me some tools 4 or 5 years ago. I don't know how long it is. But was pretty happy with those. Never used this specific item from them. Again, 4 amp hour battery, impact wrench. It's only $41.99, which is a really good deal for a full kit. It was limited stock though, so first come, first serve on this one. Maybe sold out by the time you see it. But maybe it gets restocked. We'll see what happens. But really good price to get a full kit, 4 amp hour battery and everything. Weehaw! 32-piece Go Box. It's a Go Box. Master Torx bit set with the mini ratchet. Apparently that's what a Go Box looks like. So you get the little mini ratchet, which I love the little mini ratchet. Plus their tools are just damn expensive. And you got all these bits. Look at all them Torx bits. You're going to do all the Torx. You even got the security bits in there, which is really nice to include for you. So a sale price right now, $24.98. The price match in Home Depot, or maybe Home Depot's price matching them, chicken or the egg. So that means it's also $24.98 at Home Depot. Acme Tools and Tool Nut are more of a full retail price at $34.49. You're going to have to add shipping for either of those, so probably closer to $40 if you were to buy it from either of those other options. But $24.98, free shipping for the Prime members. Name brand that we know and love. Drip irrigation system kit, garden greenhouse patio, 226 feet, watering system, quarter, half-inch tubing, adjustable nozzles, barbed fittings, and emitters, wherever the hell an emitter is, by Starry, 50% off. Something a little unique and different that I figured some of you guys would be interested in. Starts out at $38.99, but we have a 50% promo code, so you're going to be about $19 on this, which look good to me. Not sure when it expires. We do have the promo code here. If that promo code doesn't work, try this one over here. And if you are so inclined, you can get multiple promo codes or multiple quantities on the promo code, but then there's also 2 different promo codes. So if you want to split up your transaction, you could still get 2 that way as well. Hopefully the code lasts for a while. We got a dash cam, 4K Ultra HD front dash cam, built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, app control, night vision, wide angle, 64 gigabyte card by Estbuck. It's 50% off. Now we did see this once before, but they sweetened the deal just a little bit, so I wanted to repost it, put it in front of people. So it starts out at $59.97. It was 44% off previously. Now it is 50% off. So I know it's not like a huge discount, but since I had already posted it, and it had a slightly better promo code going for the next couple of days, that we'd at least repost it for anyone who maybe would have been on the fence, and that extra 6% just pushed them over. So $30 for your 4K Ultra HD dash cam. Night vision goggles, binoculars, total darkness, infrared digital night vision, 32 gigabyte memory card, 3-inch screen by KJK. Boy, I'm glad that middle one was a J and not another K. 50% off. These things are so fun. Look at, first off, the prices have dropped on these ridiculously. They used to be $200 all day long. Now, $95.99 and then 50% off. So you're under $50 going through the 28th. And it is 100% $50 worth of fun. So you get that memory card so you can record video or take pictures. But you can see all the creepy crawlies around at night. You'll think you're all alone outside. You put these in front of your face. You're like, ah! There's a possum right there. You didn't even see it. Because your natural eye does not have night vision. But now you do. It's like being Superman. You don't even got to go into a phone booth. Did they update that? I think there was a new Superman movie. You can't go into a phone booth anymore. There are no phone booths. It's kind of sad. Should bring back phone booths. Make phone booths great again. Uh-oh. Hex key set. Allen wrench set. Shouldn't that be an E? Metric and standard. SAE color coded. Organizer bit set. Adapter. By Gren Pro. 50% off. Now, I have a set that looks very much like this, except for it doesn't have these little nifty bits with the little adapter-looking guy. Mine's by Toolant, I believe, and I really like them. So it's the exact same style otherwise. Like, I bet this is the same thing, just a different brand name put on it. I love it's got like the little like silicone coating or whatever. It makes it a little grippy. It's ball ends on this side, and this guy swings open to like reveal the ones in the back there, to open that up and get the shorties out. Anyway, it's nice and compact. You're getting both your metrics and your SAEs, which is ridiculous. Why do hex keys even have to be metric and SAE? Just do SAE. We're in America. We don't need no damn metric system. We should tariff the metric system. And then you get this bit rail, and I'm assuming that's like a little 1/4-inch adapter that you could slap on, presumably the 1/4-inch hex key, and then make it into like a little screwdriver thing, like a little wrench guy. Okay. I don't know how often I'd use it, but neat. I'll take it. You want to throw it in? I'll do it. Okay. $53.98, but then 50% off. You're only going to pay $27. Now, I think that $53.98 is kind of ridiculous. That's too much. But because I'm familiar with a very similar set and really like the one I got, I feel like it's worth it. It's worth paying up for like a good hex key set instead of just like stashing away all the ones that come with furniture that you buy at IKEA and have to put together. Or maybe you buy on Amazon. Which I have a drawer full of those, by the way. I probably should just throw them out. What do you do with old hex keys? Is there any like legit purpose for like the old ones that was used in furniture? I mean, I guess it could be worked as like a pin for something. I don't know. Clamp set, woodworking, 12-inch 2-piece, 6-inch 2-piece, F-style bar clamps, heavy-duty wood clamps by Yead Dragon Horse. Now, I don't know about the Yead part, but I love the Dragon Horse part. What a cool, like, thing to contemplate. A dragon horse. That would be badass. 30% off. So like an F clamp, because see, you got the long and then the whoop, whoop. That's why it's an F clamp. 12-inch and 6-inchers. $35.99. Someone's going to be like, no, you dumbass. It's an F clamp for some totally different reason. 600 pounds of pressure. Boy. Speaking of my shoulders. 30% off. Going through 9/10 or so, they say. Now, I don't think it'll last a whole month. We got a smoke machine. Smoke them if you got them. Automotive advanced air pump built-in professional smoke machine leak detector by Bascom. 50% off. Now these things are super fun. The one I have, you burn baby oil. I don't know how universal that is. Oh, baby oil or mineral oil. There you go. So I burn baby oil in the one that I have, and it works really fantastically. You got like a leak, you don't know where it is. You just plug up wherever you can, stick this nozzle in there, let it start burning the baby oil, and you just wait for the smoke to come out. Wherever the smoke comes out, that's your problem. And this is another thing that has dropped a lot in price, like $79.99 and then 50% off. You're only paying $39.99 for that thing. Think it. How much you would pay a mechanic or someone if you had some type of leak that you couldn't find and you had to take it somewhere. They won't even put it on their little machine or rack, or they won't even look at the damn thing for like under $150. It's ridiculous. This thing could easily save you money very quickly. First use, bam. And it's fun. It would be cool for pictures too. Like you want to do like a cool like Halloween smoky scene, you just let this thing go. I don't know if it's bad to breathe this stuff in, though. You might want to look into that. $39.99. I really like it. I think you should probably get it. All right. That is it for this video. Again, all those Amazon links will be in the description down below. You got the YouTube shopping links for everything else. And we're going to try and take a break tomorrow. But Home Depot keeps popping off with all these damn tool deals. And there's just a few really good ones mixed in with a lot of not so good ones. So it's like it's just enough to tempt. Be like, oh, I should probably do a video on this so people can see it. Don't want them to miss out on something. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe for a subscriber, and I will see you guys next time.